Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 minus 7 bracket 5 minus 7 and the second question is 2 minus 7 bracket 2 minus 7. So what people do, 5 minus 7 as minus 2, 5 minus 7 as minus 2 and minus 2 times minus 2 as 4, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. Because they did not take a right approach. What is the right approach? When we have given multiple operation, then we have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first we have to solve the bracket, then order or of, then division and multiplication both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So let's solve this expression with the help of BODMAS. So first solve the bracket. So 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So and there is multiplication sign. Now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So 7 minus 7 times minus 2 is plus 14 and 5 plus 14 is 19. So what is the correct answer? 19. So now let's solve this part with the help of the same approach. What people do, 2 minus 7 as minus 5 and 2 minus 7 as minus 5. We know that it's wrong. Even the answer is wrong. So what is the right approach? First solve the bracket. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Now give priority to multiplication. 7 times 5 is 35. Minus minus is plus. 2 plus 35 is 37. So what is the correct answer? 37. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.